The Tale of Alexandra, a slave girl in the Ottoman palace. The story of Alexandra, a slave girl in the Ottoman palace, unfolds against the backdrop of the opulent yet oppressive world of the Ottoman Empire. This tale explores her struggles, dreams, and the harsh realities of life within the palace walls during the reign of Sultan Suleiman the Magnificent, 1520 to 1566, and his successors. Through Alexandra's eyes, we witness the complexities of power, love, and survival in a world where fate is often dictated by circumstance. Alexandra, a young girl from a small village, was captured during a raid and sold into slavery. She found herself in the Grand Ottoman Palace, a place filled with beauty and danger. As she entered the palace, she was overwhelmed by the opulence surrounding her. The vibrant colors, intricate designs, and bustling servants painted a picture of luxury, yet she felt like a mere object, stripped of her identity and freedom. Life in the palace was harsh for Alexandra. She was assigned to serve the harem, where she witnessed the lives of the sultan's wives and concubines. The women were often jealous and cruel, competing for the attention of Sultan Suleiman. Alexandra learned quickly that her survival depended on her ability to navigate the treacherous dynamics of palace life, all while yearning for the freedom she had lost. One fateful day, Alexandra caught the eye of Sultan Suleiman himself during a royal gathering. He was captivated by her beauty and grace, a stark contrast to the jealousy of the harem. The Sultan's interest in her sparked a glimmer of hope within Alexandra, as she dreamed of a life beyond servitude. However, she also understood the dangers that came with attracting the Sultan's attention. As time passed, Alexandra developed feelings for the Sultan, but she knew that their worlds were divided by power and status. Her dreams of love and freedom felt increasingly unattainable. She often spent her nights dreaming of escape, imagining a life where she could be free to choose her own fate. Yet, the reality of her position weighed heavily on her heart, trapping her in a cycle of despair. The harem was rife with jealousy, and Alexandra became a target for the other women. They whispered rumors and plotted against her, determined to maintain their status and power. One night, in a fit of rage, a rival concubine confronted Alexandra, threatening to ruin her chances with the Sultan. This confrontation forced Alexandra to confront the harsh realities of palace politics and the lengths to which others would go to protect their positions. During a routine visit to the gardens, Alexandra encountered a kind-hearted palace guard named Hassan. He treated her with respect and kindness, offering her a glimpse of compassion in her otherwise bleak existence. Their conversations blossomed into a secret friendship, providing Alexandra with solace and support. Hassan encouraged her to hold on to her dreams of freedom, igniting a spark of hope within her once more. Sultan Suleiman began to show favoritism towards Alexandra, often seeking her company during his private moments. This newfound attention drew the ire of the harem, escalating tensions within the palace. Alexandra struggled with her emotions, torn between her feelings for the Sultan and her loyalty to Hassan. As the Sultan's affection deepened, Alexandra found herself caught in a dangerous web of desire and ambition. One evening, during a lavish banquet, the Sultan publicly acknowledged Alexandra, elevating her status in the eyes of the court. This moment brought both joy and fear. While she was now favored, she also became a target for those who resented her rise. The harem's jealousy reached a boiling point, leading to a series of confrontations that threatened to unravel everything Alexandra had gained. As tensions escalated, Alexandra faced a difficult choice: pursue her feelings for the Sultan or escape with Hassan. The thought of leaving the palace was terrifying, Yet the idea of remaining a pawn in a game of power was equally daunting. In a desperate bid for freedom, she confided in Hassan, who promised to help her escape under the cover of night, igniting a plan that could change her life forever. On the night of her planned escape, Alexandra stood at the palace gates, torn between her love for the Sultan and her desire for freedom with Hassan. As she took a deep breath, she realized that true freedom meant choosing her own path, regardless of the consequences. With a heavy heart, she chose to leave the palace, stepping into the unknown, determined to reclaim her identity and forge a new life beyond the confines of the Sultan's world.